مريضين فعلا. فقالوا ادخلوا 65 دبابه وما الى ذلك مثل ما نشرت بعض
They said they entered the 35 tanks
في وسط
in
المدينه.
the middle of the capital. They claim that
هذا الكلام غير صحيح.
I tell you, I inform you that the speech is too far from
This is Steve Perry reporting live from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma for StopBreathingNow.org. I've seen on the national media where they're lying, claiming that there's a blizzard here in Oklahoma City. As you can see, I'm out here in my tank top and my shorts, and I'm having no problems. I'm perfectly comfortable. They're lying to you. The fact of the matter is, the planet is warming, and we're all going to die. People are out here breathing. We've been out here all day watching people breathe, emitting carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and heating up the planet. Then they'll tell you news stories about 11 inches of snow in Oklahoma City. Does it look like snow to you? I'm in my tank top here, people. I'm comfortable. Why? Because the media is lying to you. There is no cooling. There is no snow in Oklahoma City. This is Steve Perry reporting live for StopBreathingNow.org.